Yes, digital product family. Hope you guys are well. This one is a crazy digital product one, a mad one. Never heard of it one. It's a craziest one. Guys, check it out. These are three digital products that you probably never heard of that actually sell really, really well, guys. So I wanted to just to let you know because you never know. You might want to do something like this, and you know what? You didn't know that they actually do it. So before I get going, as usual, if you love digital products, you love creating, selling, researching, and all of that fantastic stuff, guys, then please hit the like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Don't forget to share, please, because you know what? We're a caring community and we love to share. So, guys, check this one out 20 plus, boom. 20 plus views in the last 24 hours, boom. It's not cheap, you know, it's expensive, but it's Etsy's pick. Check it. Chicken coop. Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. You're looking at a chicken coop. I'm not saying you need to go and buy, go and make a chicken coop, guys, because you must be thinking this guy's gone crazy. No way. There's no way I'll tell you we're a digital product family and I'm telling you to go make a house for a chicken. That's Look at his house, guys. Look, check it. Raw. His house looks actually pretty good. Damn, it's got a roof and everything. Tiled roof. It's got a bunk bed. Raw, it's got a bunk bed for the chickens. Wow, they're living good. These chickens are living life. Look at that. This ain't a, this is like, this is lovely. This is a house. Look at the door. My God, how the hell are they going to open that door? Oh, yes, for humans. But madness, look at that. Wow. A chicken yard. This is a yard for chickens. Now, listen, guys, you know, this is a chicken coop for 10 to 12 chickens. It's a digital download. It's a DIY plan. It's a DIY plan, right? I didn't know. But DIY plans sell really well, and it could be for many things. Guys, this, I can't even say the number. This listing gets $3,149. Guys, you can look any plan. There's loads of plans for many different products. There's not just it's a chicken coop. Go and research this further because chicken coops is just one example. People look for plans that they can download so that they can make things like chicken coops, like bird houses, you know, like these guys that love their wooden DIY projects. They'll go and buy this. So they'll go on Etsy to create this. And then, you know, and then what they can do is also they can get plans for laser cutting and things like that. And the thing is, you don't need to know anything. You might be like, are you crazy? Am I going to just sit there and make a plan? I don't even know how to do that. Well, you don't need to do that, guys. You don't actually need to. Jump onto something like Fiverr, I keep saying it, or Upwork, or a freelancer, and check it. You can actually pay someone to make your plans for you. Now, they're not even that expensive. You can actually get it done for like $9, £9, £10. It's cheap. And they will actually draw this is an architectural plan for an actual house. Imagine a big house. So for a chicken coop, that's going to be cheap as hell. So what I'm saying is this can be done by a third party. Obviously not going to be you. You'd pay someone to do it. They'll send you the digital file and you upload it on Etsy and boom, there you go. Sell it as a digital download. Now, guys, it's as simple as that. Because look, very few of us are experts within the architectural field or can do, well, some of us can do plans. But, you know, this is crazy. This is actually something that people look for. Look at that. People are looking at this and it's not cheap either. That digital download is expensive. And this is what I'm saying. Because they're in a market that is unsaturated, they're able to command a higher price. They don't need to put a sale on it. Look, when something is saturated, you know it is because you know you're fighting you're fighting for you're competing with someone to make sure that you get the sale with somebody next to you on the listings. So you got to put a sale on it. You got to make sure it's cheaper. You got to bundle it up. Look, this one there's no bundle, it's expensive. And yeah, they're selling a digital download. Boom, ready. The only thing I will say though that is selling it really well is they have images of the product. So what you may need to do, you may need to get the product made. So you can actually go, whether it be from a third party on Fiverr, you can actually get the product made. So I suggest if you want to sell the product, you need to have good listing images. And to get good listing images, you need to make the product. So it's a slightly tricky one to do, but I thought you definitely need to know this one because this is an interesting one and it's not saturated. Okay, now check this out. This is called Rare Horrorflies, a spooky, cute mystery stitch along, right, design. Now basically this is how it works. This is a digital download, right? Don't get that twisted. It's a digital download of a cross stitch, right? Cross stitch style, which you can actually go ahead and do after downloading it, right? And this is what it would look like when it's created, right? So you can get more information on the listings here. You can see what it looks like. You can see the cross stitching, how it actually works. Okay, so a little bit of information here. But yeah, like all you do get is you get a digital file, a PDF, one PDF digital download, and then you got all the information here, which tells you a bit more information about the item. People love it though, by the way. So it tells you that this is a kind of downloadable PDF cross stitch pattern that will be sent to you. Okay, and that's all it is. And these are people loving patterns. When I look at when I study things, I study reviews, and this review, there's 110 reviews on this, right? So remember my video on sewing patterns and the crochet patterns. These things are selling really well. They do have a much higher skill level than usual. Look at this. I mean, look, you can't ignore this amount, can you? Really, this number, $4,732 a month. It's just gone up for 1 month. It's been up for 1 month, right? This is what I'm talking about. That is crack-a-lacking, right? That's a mad one. That's crazy, right? There are some other tags. That's crazy, guys. So listen, you've got to use something like SEO software. I use EVERBEE just to analyze products. You can check the link in my description. So it shows me what I can analyze. And look at this. For 1 month listing, it's getting 364 sales. That's amazing. It's getting 10,000 views, guys. 10,000 views. 671 favorites. It's already had 110 reviews in 1 month. Those numbers are crazy good. So what I'm saying is the digital sort of sewing pattern, the crochet pattern, the cross stitch pattern, they are very popular. So if you have that skill, what are you doing? You need to get on this ASAP before it gets busy. But if you don't, there's also other ways which you can also get people, like I said, on something like EVERBEE, which is like a freelancers that will create something for you. Let's just have a quick look while you're here, right? Cross stitch pattern. Let's have a look. Cross stitch pattern, crochet pattern. Oh, here we go. Oh, there you go. I will create cross stitch pattern from your image. I will create a cross stitch pattern for your idea. There you go. You got sellers going from £9, like $10, $11, $12. Guys, this is a no-brainer. These people can do this for you. There's so many freelancers out there that will do this for you. So guys, this is a higher skill level, but this is how you would actually create it. You need to obviously make sure that you got somebody that can do this. Now, let's move on to the next. But look at the money on that. Whew, that is crazy. I'm going to cry how good that is. I wish I could do it. But yeah, I can get Fiverr to do it for me. Look, 4,732. That's madness. Look, another thing that's pretty popular, right, on Etsy these days is journals. Come on, you must have heard about these journals. They're so in demand. Journals. People love these junk journals, man. People love these. You must have heard on it. But, you know, they're so cool. They've got these vintage styles that people are really, really loving right now. Look at these beautiful vintage journal styles. Now, let me just very quickly, and they're downloadable, guys. Remember, these are all downloadable. Look, there's a 4-zip. You get a zip file, and you can download these. And they're so, so nice, you know. Like, when I actually look at these, I can imagine why they are so popular, these journal styles. Look at that. You know, these are all the journals. This is all the different parts to it, you know, where you might want to do your writing all the different parts of what you want to do. Look at this. Look at this. It's so nice. And it's got all the different like vintage designs, like the potion bottle, like so cool. I love this old style paper, that yellowing paper with the corners of flowers. So these digital downloads are actually getting really very popular now. Okay, they're jumping up, so you need to get on this soon. Okay, they're growing in popularity. And check this again. Look, what I'm doing is I'm showing you a lot of these are 1 month listings, because the reason why I'm showing you is I want to demonstrate like something that can be quite new to the market can make a lot of money. Some things that you haven't heard of. So $4,576, and it's only been out for 1 month, and it's got 454 sales in that 1 month, and it's got 79 reviews, 552 favorites. Guys, this is killing it. This one is absolutely killing it, right? And there are some of the tags. It's a crazy one, right? It's a crazy one. In demand, it says 5 people bought this in the 24 hours. Yes, I do need to analyze maybe the store a bit more and see what it is, if it's been there a while, because there are still more investigations to do. But on the surface, at the minute, it seems like an interesting one. Here's another one for you guys. How many have I done? Is this the fourth one? Is a bonus one? Right, check it. People don't really look at this. But you know what? TV art, like for TVs, like I'll show you an image. Like, when you see when the TV like is pretty much like you're not on a channel, it's just kind of on and it's running and it's flicking through all these beautiful images. It's literally like this. So this gives you a set of 2,500 collection of vintage art, famous art styles that you can have for your computer screen. Okay, sorry, for your TV screen. And they've got 2,500 images. Now, this is interesting because you can actually create images. Like I said, like I keep saying, you can create images using Midjourney and get these uploaded. And these can be really cool designs. And I think this is something that a lot of people have overlooked and have missed the trick here, because not a lot of people are doing this. And it's actually a really cool one to do. So it's a set of 2,500. Yes, it's a lot. But like I said, these things can be created, and I'll show you another seller in a second. But check this out. Let's just analyze this for a second. And, this one is making approximately an estimated revenue of $18,000. And it's only been around for 3 months. Now, you might think, okay, what's going on? Is it just like, why is it so much? Well, guys, I'll tell you why it's so much. Because this is something like, this is a niche market. This frame TV, I'll just highlight, frame TV art set, right? So for frame TVs, if you think about it, like already when your laptop, when your TV goes still, there is usually an inbuilt designs that come up, usually like photography, right? And they come up on different images. But imagine these are something that people obviously buy because they want to put their own individual slant to it. Guys, this is such a fantastic angle on this. I mean, look, I think someone's taken a picture of their home screen. Frame TV, Samsung, the frame TV, right? Amazing. So, it just shows you that this thing is an interesting one. Let me just look at any more images. Look at this, guys. Wow, look at that. So nice. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Yeah? So I've got these beautiful, frame TV collections, which, people are starting to buy individually because they obviously want to, like, they want this to be, they want it to kind of run in their home. They're almost like they're prints. Basically, it's almost like getting digital prints and then just running it, And so you get a collection that just runs. It's actually a beautiful idea. I really love this idea. So that is your frame TV art bundle idea. Different ideas, guys. I hope you like those ideas. I hope you like which one. Actually, tell me in the comment below which one you like the best and which one you might think about doing. drop it in the comments below. And as usual, if you did like the video, hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Don't forget, check out my playlist, and I shall see you on the next video. Take care.